guys, my name is Jacquier. I'm a French music composer and sound designer. Today I'm gonna do a sound design of an Apex video. For that I'm gonna use Krotos tools. Let's do this. So I just opened my DAW Studio 1. We're gonna watch the video, see what it's all about and how we're gonna start it. Alright, pretty cool sequence, very dynamic. I want to mix a lot of organic sound and like more electronic and robotic sound. So first thing, we're gonna put the ambience down, try to get an immersive feeling. I don't want to spend too much time on details for now. The more important thing is the main character. So let's load Weaponizer, see what we can do for the steps. So I have the ultimate bundle, which means I have a lot of libraries to dig in. There's so much stuff. Let's try the new library Ultimate Footsteps. First, I'm gonna go with Sneakers Gravel. I love using Weaponizer. It's like playing sound with my MIDI keyboard. It's so much fun. Let's try to sing that. Okay. The two last one, they're more on the rock, so maybe we change. Once I get my MIDI track synchronized with what I see, I can try different layers of sound, which is really helpful. His legs, they are metal. I think we're gonna need to hear some metal sound. So as I said, I keep the MIDI track. I'm just gonna change the sound. Yeah. It looks light, so it can't be too much. Reformer Pro. It works. Okay, let's find some Foley stuff. Close flap, let's try that. Backpack Foley. Okay, let's see if I put those 4 libraries together. Okay, another important sound that we need to do is him landing. Can start with this one. Let's try this. Let's focus on the weapon. Pulse, energy, weapon. Let's try them all. Pretty good. I want to see some whooshes when you actually jump into the air. Alright, now we go straight to the gore, and there is a library called Gore. Bloody Hammer It. Ooh, I like the name. I like that. So I can use the whoosh and I can use the gore. Okay, where are we at? Squirts and sprays. Let's try those. Quite good. We'll need some liquid sound as well. Yeah, I like that. We're going somewhere. Oh yes. Alright, he's actually running on water. Let's see what we can do for that. Slutty snow, wet concrete, shoes, paddles, walk. It sounds like a paddle, so we'll need to add some pacey stuff. He's running so fast and he's so light that will do the trick. It's just a base, huh? Let's see what we can add with Reformer Pro, and then I'll work on the realistic side of the sound. Doesn't sound right yet. Let's see if we can find something more watery. We're gonna need to do some automation on the volume and the pan, obviously. What else do we have? So where are we? At this stage, we got something from beginning to the end. It makes sense. There's a lot of things to change and to add to make it sound better. But at least the base is here and I can work with that. Now I'll do some automation, volume, panning, and then I'll add more details like bushes, dynamic sound. And then I'll do the music because it's always more fun with the music. Alright, I think now it's gonna be very fun to add a layer of voice for this main character. So, yo. First take, I'm keeping it. Nice. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm done. I hope you enjoyed the process. The aim wasn't to do my best, it was to show you how I work. I use Krotos tools in my everyday workflow. So please let me know if you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you soon on the next video. Bye.